I'm Rob Helmick from Rob and Maria Trading. I'm a former attorney and professional gambler for 40 years. My wife Maria is a former banker, and we've been trading stocks since 1985 and started trading options full-time in 2020. We both manage several funds, and we thought we'd create this channel to help people understand how they can better be traders. Today I want to talk about one of our top rules for trading, and that's called the 50-50 rule. Now, what this 50-50 rule says is that you cannot predict what stocks are going to do. Stocks, it's going to be 50-50. We often have a joke around the office saying, well, what's Microsoft going to do? Is it going to be up or down? 50-50. Is the market going to be up or down today? 50-50. And the reason I can prove it to you, even though there's tons of channels and tons of people trying to predict what the market's going to do, is if any of them knew really what the market was going to do, if they really knew what NVIDIA was going to do today, if they really knew what Microsoft was going to do today, they wouldn't be telling us what it is. They'd just be investing their own money. And if they did that for 2 months in a row, they'd have all the money in the world. But no one ever does that. So I don't believe anybody that tells me they can predict the market. In fact, I always laugh when someone tells me the market's going to be up, the market's going to be down. It's 50-50. And so what I found and what we in our experience has been is that math is the key to investing. You want to be boring. You want to have an expected value so that after fees, commissions, and slippage, you're going to have a mathematical advantage in your trading. And when I was a bookie and a professional gambler, I had the same experience. I learned it was to bet and to trade options, same thing. Bet with your mind. Excuse me, bet with math, not with your mind. Don't bet with your mind, bet with math. It's figures, not feelings that matter. It's numbers, not nuance. I got my little cheat sheet here. In gambling, we always bet on the money line dog and the under. Why? Because everybody bet on the favorite and everybody bet on the over. So we got paid extra to bet on the money line dog and to bet on the under. So likewise, we get paid extra for selling puts, somewhat also in selling calls. So what we're doing in our funds is we're selling premium and some combination of puts and calls, almost always selling premium. The only time we buy premium is when we want to cut back our buying power. But the key thing is you want to do back testing and find something that has a positive expected value. And you want something that's boring, slow, math-based. The best traders on the world are some of the most boring people you've ever met when they're actually trading. In fact, our funds trade over 120 trades a day in SPX 0 DTEs. Where will you find me when we're trading? I'll be out here on the beach or at the pool because I'm not worried about it. I know it's math-based. Over time, we're going to win. Maria and I have been doing exceptionally well for years and years and years doing this same procedure. I hope that you'll check out our